bang with your mouth.
Why do you always make cat whiskers on your face?
What does a giraffe sound like?
Every animal makes that noise with you.
Yeah.
Zebra, zebra, zebra. If you had to lose your leg or your nose, what would you lose? I'd lose my leg. Imagine my face without a nose. Voldemort has a nose. I don't like Voldemort. Voldemort's pretty thick, to be honest. I really like Voldemort. I would buy Ninja or Pirate. Ninja. I am naked right now. Ooh. Would you eat ham every day for the rest of your life if you got paid £1 million every month? Yes. Although, I'd probably die of ham poisoning. Ham overdose. Ham. Let's go for it. Is your house still haunted? You may not know, but Phil actually lives in the hotel from the film of The Shining. They have the death cathedral window, demonic toy number 1, generally the hotel from The Shining. Pictures of the dead family that were brutally murdered in this house 200 years ago. What the hell is that? Logo. Front door of death. The actual scariest doll in existence. That will just chop you up in your sleep. Look at it. Isn't that right? Possibly the scariest thing in the house. Who was your first love? Your mum. May I stroke your good Bella? What's a good Bella? Let's find out what a good Bella is. Good Bella is the space between the eyebrows and above the nose. There. Show the diagram. That's so interesting, Phil. I bet also glad they can see the diagram. Is it fun being a man now? Yeah. Especially now I've got my cobalt hammer drill. So manly. Oh yeah. What would you do if a ghost I need to start with? Can you say something in French? Je mange la petit enfant. Est-ce qu'il y a une salle déjà? That's the only thing I know from French class. Tu mets une prostitute. Do you use an iron to straighten your hair like Stephen does? Yes. No? Okay. Phil has really crappy PhDs that don't even work. They are Poundland PhDs. They are GDHs. Je m'appelle Philippe. Un poisson. Et toi? I think you should quack.